Hi guys, what is up? Welcome back to another video. Thank you for being here today. I waved my hair. How do we like it? Do we like it? And I'm sitting right in front of my vanity so you get all the good lighting. Today we're gonna be going to Aldi because these grocery prices got me so freaking bent, okay? Grocery prices are insane, and if you're trying to save some money on groceries, definitely shop at Aldi because Aldi just has a lot of great freaking deals. If you've never shopped at Aldi, I say give it a go. I'm going to be creating a list on my phone because I already know if I go grocery shopping without a list, I'm going to buy a lot of stuff I don't need. And sometimes the Aldi finds just get you because they won't be there in a week. Before I do that, I want to talk about my makeup. Do we see how good my face looks right now? It looks so good. I just applied the makeup, but remember the Milani Conceal and Perfect foundation I had mentioned to you guys? Well, I recently got a new shade because I've been on the tanner side since I've been going to the pool a lot. So I got the number 6 Sand Beige. I feel like it just matches my skin perfectly. And along with that, I finally tried the Milani Concealers. I got one closer to my skin tone and then another one to brighten. This concealer is so incredible and it's only $10. It's by far the best drugstore concealer in my opinion because not only does it conceal, it also hydrates, and I don't feel like my under eyes have ever looked this good. Okay, $10. I think it's totally worth it. I will be repurchasing that because look at how like I feel like you can't even see my dark circles and you wouldn't even know I have like raccoon eyes, okay? Because my dark circles are so bad and you can't even tell with this concealer. So if you're looking for a new one, honestly, I like this one way better than like Shape Tape. Like that one's what, like $30 or something? Honestly, hands down, if this was $30, I would buy it for $30. Like that's how good it is. Anyways, let me stop rambling because I'm gonna make a list on my phone so I can head on over to Aldi.
Girl, I see your face everywhere. When I'm going out, you'll be there. 'Cause everything reminds me of you. I can't take no more. Girl, I think I'm losing my mind. Try to go to work, but I lost track of time. 'Cause everyone keep looking like you. I can't take no more. I miss your touch from your hands and your body. It hurts so much to think of you with someone else. Can't get enough when you're sweet talking to me. Now I'm talking sweet all by myself. Put your arms around me, put your faith in me, put your love on me. What you need from me, need your love on me, put your love on me. I'ma do everything for you, I don't want anyone but you. Put your arms around me, put your faith in me, put your love on me. Can we stop the clock and rewind, go back to that moment.
Okay, so we just got back from Aldi. I laid everything out on the table and I still have more items over on that table over there. But I want to go over this stuff first, put this away, and then I will bring the rest of the stuff over here. Okay, so first things first, we got some almond milk, unsweetened vanilla. That's usually what I drink. And then I got whole milk for Kevin, just organic whole milk. Half and half because I'm going to be needing it for a recipe. Irish butter, this is Aldi's version of the Kerrygold and it's under $3. It's freaking amazing. So best butter that you can get at Aldi, I would say. Skip all the other junk and get this one, trust me. This is the first time I'm actually trying one of these creamers and I hadn't seen this one. I don't know if maybe it's because I never buy my creamer there, but I desperately needed some. So this is the sweet cream, and what I liked about this one is although it has sugar, it is made with only non-fat milk, cream, sugar, and natural flavors. If you've ever looked at a label for the coffee creamers, they are made with a ton of like oils and vegetable oils and all kinds of stuff that you don't even know you're drinking. I plan on just topping off my coffee with like froth sweet cream, so it'll just be probably just a little bit just to top it off. Yeah, and then I got the V8 Energy. This is the peach mango flavor. They did have the other flavors available. This was an Aldi find, so I went ahead and picked that up. This is Aldi's version of Belvita bars. They also had this is a blueberry, they had the brown sugar cinnamon, and an orange cranberry, I believe. But yeah, this is their version of that. Pesto sauce, because I plan on making chicken pesto with veggies, so I got that. I think I'm gonna add broccoli to that chicken pesto and veggies as well. Whipped cream cheese, I love eating that with salami. I know if you do that, let me know in the comments, but I got this just for the salami itself, and then I got string cheese just in case Kevin didn't want the cream cheese. But string cheese and salami and crackers, amazing. Mexican style cheese, I think I'm gonna make some ground beef and nachos and stuff like that, so I needed that to top it off. Zucchini, I'll probably add it to the pesto as well with the vegetables. And then these were on sale this week, so these are the Caesar salad kits, and I think they were only like $2.29, so it pretty much comes with everything you need in here. The only thing it doesn't come with is any protein. So I'm going to be cooking up some chicken and just serving me a large bowl of Caesar salad. I love Caesar salad. So I got 2 of those bags. As far as meats, I had never purchased any like pork ribs or anything like that from Aldi, but I thought this was a pretty good price. It's $4.49 a pound, which is not bad at all. So it's 15 bucks for this giant slab. This is more than enough for me and Kevin because this is giant, and I was thinking of making just like mashed potatoes on the side and maybe some, I don't know, maybe a corn or I don't know. I haven't figured that out yet, but I definitely got mashed potatoes in this. So we'll see, but it is like Aldi branded meat. So I will let you guys know how that is, but I plan on making it on the Foodie Ninja, which I am kind of nervous about, but you are able to grill on there, and I've made other meats on there. So I'm hoping that it'll turn out. They didn't have my regular grass-fed ground beef that I like to get from Aldi. I know I've mentioned it on my previous videos, but I ended up just going with this, just a 7%. I plan on making nachos with ground beef, so that's what I got that for. And then I just got chicken breast. This is gonna be for my chicken pesto, and then I think I'm gonna make like chicken tikka masala. And this is already a whole lot of chicken, so I think I'm gonna use half of it for the chicken pesto and half of it for the chicken tikka masala. Okay, and this is the other portion of everything else I got. So potatoes, these are gonna be for breakfast and as well as for the mashed potatoes with the ribs. And then cinnamon crunch squares, so they have their own like versions of every type of cereal out there, and they're literally half the cost if not less, which is incredible. This was like 2 something, I can't remember, but yeah, we never get cereal, and Kevin was like, you know what, I kind of feel like some cinnamon toast crunch, so I was like, cool, we'll try the Aldi one and see how it is. But yeah, we hardly eat cereal, so we'll see how that goes. I picked up a cinnamon rolls, just the regular Pillsbury ones. I figured this would be nice for a day off in the morning. You can just make some of this with the cafecito. And then Kevin requested muffins for the mornings before he goes to work. And I think these were new. They were like cinnamon mini muffins. Like, look at how tiny these are. And they look really good too. So I picked that up. I've tried their tikka masala sauce before and their butter sauce too, and they're pretty affordable. I love how easy it is to make this dinner. Like, I'll probably make this tonight with the chicken and whip it up with some rice, like basmati rice or jasmine rice, and we're gonna be good to go. So I picked that up. I love the flavor that this has. It's incredible. And the ingredients are pretty good too. I'm gonna probably add this to the pesto, chicken, and veggies just to make it creamy. This was an Aldi find. They typically don't carry this. They carry their own version of Alfredo sauce, but we'll see how that turns out. I love these sparkling peach waters. I mean, they have other flavors too, but the peach are just the best ones, so I picked up 3 of them. These are really cold in the fridge on a hot summer day. Something about them, they're just incredible. Speaking of incredible, I also got a new candle because we were literally out. We were just burning the very last one till the end of time, and we needed one. So I got the Cocoa Cove. This is super tropical. It literally smells like coconut and pineapple. At least that's the sense that I get. And I want to say it was around $4 or so, but if you know, you know that I love ALDI candles. They are the best. I know I mentioned that I was gonna make nachos, so I picked up just some regular like refried beans and diced tomatoes and everything else. So we got that ready to go, probably for like a movie night or something. And I swear they have the best prices on paper plates, so I usually like to stock up on those at ALDI. So I got paper plates and napkins. The orange juice, the organic one from ALDI, literally tastes incredible. It tastes like it was freshly squeezed, and I guess it comes from Mexico. But it tastes amazing. It's unlike any other orange juice out there. This one and one of the Trader Joe's ones are our favorite orange juices. We're very picky about them. But all this pretty much has is organic orange juice. Like, that's literally it. No sugar added, nothing like that. So amazing. Do yourself a favor. This in the mornings, incredible. And then we are going to be trying a new barbecue sauce with the ribs that I picked up. I've never had this before, but I want to say this is one of ALDI's brands because I always see it there. I've just never picked it up because I honestly I'm not huge on barbecue sauce, so I hardly ever have barbecue sauce in my fridge, but I'm going to attempt to maybe put this on the ribs and we'll see how that ends up turning out. I didn't want these to melt, so I had to stick them in the fridge, but this is something that I hadn't seen there before, and I swear it's an ALDI find, so I had to pick it up, but it's from the Sunday shop, and that basically means it's an ALDI brand. But they have lemon and cherry Italian ice. When I saw this, Kevin was like, what? Like, when I saw this, I immediately texted Kevin a photo and he's like, get them. So yeah, we'll see how that turns out. But there's 6 cups in here and I want to say it was under $5. So yeah, we'll see how that turns out. And then we couldn't forget about Bella. This is an ALDI find and I really wish that they had these at all times, but they typically only carry this in the summertime. But this is just a nice treat for the doggos. It comes with 2 original ones and 2 cheese and bacon ones. And I'm telling you guys, Bella loves these. They're small little cups and I split it with her because although it is tiny, I don't want it to like affect her stomach or anything like that. So I'll usually split it into 2s. Like, I'll give her half of it and I'll put it away and then give her the other half like a different day. But you see these, pick these up. Your doggos will love it. They need a treat too because it is literally hot. I'm sweating right now. I had to turn my air off just so you wouldn't hear it in the background, and I'm sweating right now. So I'm gonna put this away as well and I'll be right back. I really hope you guys enjoy videos like this. Honestly, these are some of my favorite videos to watch. I don't know if it's just me getting older where I like enjoy seeing what other people buy at the grocery store, and it just honestly just gives me new ideas to what to make for dinner or lunch or anything like that. And who does not like a good deal? Especially ALDI, they make it super affordable to be able to make meals for you and your family, which is why I love them. On top of their ALDI finds, because their ALDI finds change every single week, and that keeps it interesting in my opinion. I love to walk around the ALDI find section and just see what they have. Also, I know they have $3 wines and they have a variety. I think they have like a Cabernet, a red wine, a Chardonnay, they have a Moscato, they have Merlot. I mean, they have every single wine and they have it for $3 and it's basically their brand. So maybe I should do like a taste test or something and see if their wines are really worth it or not. I would probably only do a few at a time because I'm not trying to open 20 bottles of wine, but that would be a fun video. Let me know if you've shopped at ALDI before or if you plan on going to ALDI. I would love to hear that in the comments. Thank you guys for watching my videos and I will see you guys on the next ones.